What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Work. For those who are new here, returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this YouTube channel. And guys, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, on today's video we are diving. And guys, on today's video we are diving deep into a fascinating topic: the connection between Jamaicans and Africans. Is Jamaica part of Africa? Should Jamaicans and Africans unite? This video will explore all those questions from a multiple perspective, including the history, culture, and politics. So sit back and join me in this enlightening journey. And onto this video, we are going to start with historical connection. And under this, we are going to talk about under this historical connection, we are going to start with the transatlantic slave trade. And to understand this connection between Jamaica and Africans, we must start with the transatlantic slave trade. This was between the 16th and 17th century. Millions of Africans were forcibly taken to the Caribbean island, including Jamaica. Not only Jamaica, but also several other people in other countries and in Caribbean islands. Like, for example, the Igbo, Yoruba, Akan people significantly influenced Jamaican culture, bringing with them some languages, customs, and other traditions, maybe, if I may say so. And then also under historical connection, we have African heritage in Jamaica. Today, African heritage is evident in Jamaica. So, under historical connection, we are also going to talk about the African heritage in Jamaica. And today, the African heritage is evident in Jamaican music, religion, food, and festivals. The only people in Jamaica who are maintaining African traditional up to today is the Maroon people. For example, the Akompang. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly. The Akompang Maroons celebrate their African roots with annual festivals, preserving languages, music, and also dances. Are we together? Apart from that, let's go to cultural ties. Under cultural ties, we have music and dances. Jamaican music, particularly reggae, dancehall, has got African roots. The drumming styles, the rhythms, the call and the response patterns, the reminiscent of African musical traditions. Then, as we also continue, for example, we have Bobby Marley. So, for example, we have Bobby Marley, the iconic figure, often speak of African in his songs, advocating for unity and freedom. Is this true? If I'm wrong, I'm here. You can still correct me. Then under these cultural ties, we have also religious practices. Many Jamaicans practice religions with African origins, such as Rastafarianism, Kumina, Pokomia, and others. So these religions incorporate African rituals, symbols, and also some beliefs. For example, we have the Nyabigi drumming in Rastafarianism, is directly linked into African drumming traditions. So if you can hear, you can listen to the rhythm, the style of the drumming in Jamaica and in Africa, they are like the same. Also, under cultural ties, let's talk of cuisines. Jamaican cuisines. So let's talk of cuisine. So Jamaican cuisine is a blend of African, European, and other influences. Dishes like jack chicken, saltfish, kolalus have roots in Africa. And also the cooking methods and ingredients, they are all the again. Yeah, here in Africa we also use hulalu. So also guys, apart from that, let's go to social and political connection. And another that we are going to talk about the Pan-Africanism. As we all know that Pan-Africanism is a political and cultural movement that seeks to unite Africans and people of Africa worldwide. Let's talk about this guy called Marcus Garvey, a Jamaican national hero who was a key figure to this movement. He preached unity, oneness, people to unite. We also have another movement which is under social political connection. We also have African Union and CARICOM relationship. I won't talk about into this because I need to do a research about it. Another thing is the other question was about, should African and Jamaican unite? The argument about the unity. So proponents of unity argues that it would strengthen economic, cultural, and political ties. A united front could address issues like poverty, discrimination, discrimination and cultural preservations. For example, joint economic ventures could boost trade and investment between Jamaicans and African nations. Let's talk of challenges to unity. There are some challenges to consider, such as geographical distance, political differences, and diverse national interests. For example, like the logistical complexities of uniting a Caribbean island with an entire continent must be addressed. Also, the modern example of unity efforts like recent initiatives such as the African Continent Free Trade Area and CARICOM cooperates with the African Union. And these show steps toward the great unity. For example, the collaborative project in education, health, and technology highlights the potential benefits of closer ties. Are we together? Let's talk about future perspectives. Youth and education. So youth play a crucial role in shaping the future of Jamaican African relationship. Education exchange, cultural programs like educational exchange and cultural programs can build bridges. For example, students exchange programs and scholarships can foster mutual understandings and collaborations. Another thing is about the technology and innovation. Technology can facilitate a connection between Jamaicans and Africa, from digital communication to collaborative innovation projects. For example, the tech hubs in Jamaica and African can work together on solving common challenges. Also, we have also cultural festivals and tourism. Cultural festivals and tourism can also promote unity, showcasing the shared heritage and fostering economic growth. For example, the events like the Afro-Caribbean Festival celebrating their cultural ties between the religion. It happens like every year. So, recap and final thoughts. The historical, cultural, and socio-political ties between Jamaica and Africa are undeniable. While uniting them poses a challenge, the potential benefits are significant. And by fostering mutual respect, understanding, and collaboration, Jamaica and Africa can build a bright future together. So thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more content like this. Do you love this kind of content? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Should Jamaica and Africans unite? We would love to hear your perspective. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. Follow me on Instagram, Claudia Works, behind the scene content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Work good.